So it's always
Powder coated?
Yeah. Hi everyone.
Welcome to FreshFinds, where we share a few products to help you build your brand. My name is KJ.
And I'm Jen.
Hi Jen, how are you today?
I'm doing quite well, thank you, KJ.
Great.
I would really like you to tell me a little bit more about what we're looking at today.
Well, first we have the Risky Business sunglasses. And she chose the wood frame. Nice
I know,
choice.
they're my favorite.
There are several frame options available.
Like
for
10
you.
different options with multiple different color
Yes.
options. The imprint is going to be standard on the right arm of the glasses.
Okay, and it is available in a screen print or full color option.
That's
Yes.
fantastic. And how long about production time is it normally?
3 days.
3 days. So
3
it's
days
actually
production
very
time.
fast. They're like the best comfort-wise, inexpensive glasses.
Yes.
Every time we bring these somewhere, people go nuts for them because you can always use an extra pair.
Always.
Just to tuck in your bag or tuck in your car.
They are UV 400, so they're
That's true.
eye protection. You should always protect
Yes,
your
you
eyes.
should. Eyes are important.
Yes,
They are actually, the whole frame is recycled products. So that's
100%
yeah,
recycled
That's
plastic
fantastic.
on
You're-
the frame. What do we have next, Jen?
Well, I'd love to show everyone our ambassador bound journal book. This is a really, really nice notebook. It has the elastic going on here so you can mark your pages, and it has the little page marker.
Oh, that's fabulous.
I
So you
need
don't
this.
lose your spot.
Yes. I used to put little Post-it notes on all my little journal notebooks so I could find my pages, but now I can.
Sure.
When you
but
have
your
that, it just
sticky
works.
notes can fall off.
They do fall off, and
do
that's really
fall
fun.
off. It
But
is fun.
It also comes in a nice matching color that goes with the overall notebook, so you can keep your color themes the same.
And there are a few sizes.
There's a smaller version. This is the middle size, so this is a little bit over 8 by 5 kind
Sure.
of. But then they have a smaller one and a larger journal notebook available. So if you wanted a full one, you can go with that too.
This hardcover notebook has the option of screen print or Deboss.
And it does come with lined paper in the inside.
Yes.
So I think it was 160 pages.
I believe that was
Yeah.
around about there.
And the nice bound binding, which is very durable. This notebook is also part of our Better Choices program. So if you want to get a little bit more detailed information, you can check out our website at 4imprint.com. So KJ, tell me a little bit about this guy.
Okay, so finally we have the BruMate Muv Vacuum Mug.
I like these because they have 3 different sizes.
Yes.
The 15, 25 ounce, and 35 ounces.
Yes, so a lot of options. On the small option, the logo, they're all laser engraved. The logo on the small is gonna be opposite the BruMate.
sure.
So it'll be on the front of the mug.
Right, where the logo, the BruMate logo on the larger two is actually on this bottom sleeve. So the imprint will go on the front of the mug.
Oh, and there's also on the,
Oh, it does have a BruMate on the handle because the handle is so nice and large.
It is.
I mean, I can't be dropping coffee on this one. Yeah, so it's actually really nice. It does give this deep area here, so it works really well in vehicles in their little cup
and
holders.
removable.
Oh yeah, the bottom sleeve is removable.
It's easily removable,
Yeah.
like I've just shown you.
But this one is the double wall on here is so nice, and the overall feel of it.
Yes.
It's a really nice quality item that they're not gonna just get rid of. So your name
Yeah.
will be carried on through in your brand all over the place, which is great.
4 years.
I thought you were gonna say for certain.
For certain 4 years.
So production time on these mugs is actually pretty quick. We can get these done in 3 business days.
And then we did not mention earlier that this is available in 3 color options.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Navy, white, and black.
Yes.
Yes.
But it's a great mug that will keep your coffee, your tea, anything nice and
Hot
hot.
things hot, cold things cold. That's 3 great products to promote your brand.
Join us again next time for another episode of Fresh Finds.